Hey guys, I got some really bad news, but let's start off with the good news. I'm back. I've been gone for about a year on medical leave, so a lot of you guys haven't seen me at the shop. The good news is that I'm back and I'm stronger. It's really good to see my customers again. And thank you to all my customers who have been faithful to the Centric brand. On a good note, we still have our warranties, which is great. Today, we had an issue with a customer who needed warranty on her brakes, but she was in Santa Maria. A simple phone call, and we got the brakes replaced in Santa Maria under our warranty. Now I'll get to the bad news right now, but just want to thank my beautiful wife who took care of me throughout the year, and Isaac, who my son. If you guys don't know, Isaac's my son, and he's been there part-time, going to school full-time and coming to the shop and helping out there. So he's been there taking care. I've had for the past year a shop manager taking care of things. Here's where the bad news comes from. I say this with regret. There are some things that might have felt weird in working with this gentleman, and you're right. So I'm reaching out to the people who listen to this, to the people who paid through Apple Pay. Unfortunately, the Apple Pay was directly to his personal account and not to the shop account. This is the bad news, guys. We almost went out of business. As of last November, I started feeling some weird movements in the sense that I couldn't pay certain bills and couldn't get through the monthly bill cycles. And starting in March, April, we started feeling it so bad that I was blaming it on the economy. That was my excuse. It's got to be the economy. It's got to be the economy. In April, we made some management changes, and this is when we found out what was going on. Things were not hitting our banks, and things were hitting someone else's bank account through Apple Pay, I believe, some PayPal. So I'm reaching out to the people out there. I'll still hold your warranty that you purchased through our shop. If you feel that you're one of the ones that did a PayPal or did an Apple Pay through the shop, but it might have been a personal Apple Pay, this is where I want you to reach out to us and just give us a call, send me an email, let me know so I can make sure that things are addressed correctly. Sending money through Western Union, this gentleman unfortunately was going out and picking up cash through Western Union instead of hitting the shop. There's a lot of details I don't want to really get into, but I want to make sure that the Centric brand is protected and that you are protected, and let you know that I'm on top of this, and I'm going to make sure that we deal with this in a correct manner. Since we've been back for the past 3 months, things are back to normal. We're in great shape. If you feel that you were a victim and was defrauded, we want to hear from you. Please reach out. I worked too hard for this business for the past 16 years to lose it over someone else's issues and or mistakes. And I don't even want to say it's a mistake. Greed. If you guys have any information how things were approached so we can connect the dots, reach out to me, please. Let me know. Remember, this manager was making it seem like you were getting a better deal. We already have a handful of customers that reached out to us and we're working with and have remedied the issue. Everything's fixable. When it comes to cars, everything is fixable. So for me to remedy things, it's very, very simple. The biggest issue on this is the fraud that we're looking for. So guys, I apologize if you've gone through something. Please let me know. And for the people that have been faithful, thank you so much for being there for us through the past 16 years.